Now, also, as Joe mentioned, we enhanced the high-speed machining and 2.5 axis spacing. So not only do you have the high-speed toolpaths at the cut level, but you also now have the high-speed entries at the entry and exit level. So you can see these arc motions right here where the arrows are pointing to. So it adds a high-speed entry at each cut level and a high-speed exit, as well as the high-speed path itself. So if you look here, we've got a spacing operation, and then we have
Can you, Don, can you show the existing, the 2023 version first so people get an idea what's changed?
Yeah, we can move that up if you want. Okay, so previously 23, the high-speed machining path or the pattern was only applied at the cut level. It wasn't applied to the entrance or the exit or the transfers from, not transfers, but the movement of the tool, to another offset position. You would get a sharp area in here, which is hard on the tool, hard on your machine. You would actually, in some cases, if you have a lighter router, you would actually feel that jerking motion as that tool goes around that sharp corner. Well, now it actually adds high-speed arc motions to the entries and the exits, as well as the transitions in the pattern itself.
So you're getting both 2D arc fitting as well as 3D arc fitting as well. So
yep.
Which is very new to the system. We've never done 3D arcs before, so this is pretty new.
Yep. And you'll really see that. You'll see that enhancement just by watching the tool in a case such as this.